Hello and welcome to Advanced Leadership Workshop Expanding with Vendors. Today we're going to be looking at a variety of vendor options. Now there is a spectrum of options and some vendors are small, some are large. They both have advantages and disadvantages. A small vendor, fewer people, may have more hands-on getting what you want. Things may even cost less. They are more on top of things because they want to earn your business. Where a larger company, more established, typically have a brand. They often have certain products that they are providing for you. They have a lot of efficiency, figured it out. This is the best way of doing things. That's why they have a certain number of products. And they may tend to charge you a little bit more because there's more of a guarantee that things are going to work. Large vendor may or may not be flexible as much as a smaller one, again, because they already have the recognition. They can certainly find another customer. Of course, in any vendor situation, there are no absolute rules. These are just things to consider. So what might be on your vendor check? And be sure to check out more than just one vendor. What's their specialty? How flexible are they? Their price, the quality that they're going to provide you. What's the schedule that they can deliver for you? Can they do it just once? Can they do it multiple times? Can you expand with them? And what are the other customers saying about them? Of course, this would be an approach with multiple vendors, but you might just send out a request for a proposal, an RFP, and let them tell you all that stuff so you don't need to do the research. So what do you need? Well, figure out the benefits of each approach and what are they offering? We just reviewed some of that. What are the insights that maybe you haven't considered that they can provide you as the vendor? That's their specialty. Some things you want to avoid. Maybe they're telling you that, or this is your own list of things you want to avoid. Who is in charge of this relationship? Ultimately, you should be in charge because you are the one that's wanting something to be done, but they may have some expertise that you really need to rely on. What's the change process? You think you know what you want, but over time things may change, and you need to figure out how to change the agreement. And then who owns the product afterwards? Is any blueprints or processes or any source files, that sort of thing. Who gets to say it's their product, sort of thing. Who's going to put their brand on it? So what are some next steps? Well, document your plan, whatever it is you're going to do, and track then what actually happens once you made some decisions, because things do change and not things don't always go the way we want them, or there may be opportunities to improve. Then adjust your approach as is needed so that you can be successful. You're trying to do something, accomplish something. You're just not trying to follow a plan. Then, as always, whether you're doing well, not doing well, keep moving forward to success. Well, if you're taking a workshop approach towards this, and I certainly encourage you to do that. Don't just watch the video, but complete the activities and then move forward and do let us know what happens. A 2-hour version workshop would be similar to this, but now you're going to meet with others who have also watched the video and completed the activities so you can discuss and then move forward together. So again, let us know how it goes. Thank you.